By side. That didn't seem to be the wisest option at the time. The sky jockeys were under direct orders to destroy any and all Autobots on site. State of security. Let's consider the positives. You now possess greater intel regarding men, particularly their leader, Silas. The stage name of one Colonel Leland Bishop. Special the architect of Project Dammit. Satellites in orbit firing laser beams at any target on Earth. Long since mothballed, the primary reason for Bishop's discharge. He had other wild ideas, which he practiced with even greater abandon once he was rolled. And no sign of his remains.
Well, it's my new addition to all my RC cars, besides to my Unimug that I just recently built. I'm still working on that. I got this at the same time though, from Tower Hobbies. Not bad because $300 and making it in payments. So let's see what we got here. So got a Metal Gear servo. This I'm just gonna, the radio I'm just gonna put to my Skyfly radio, so I'll keep the receiver just, it's got a new ESC on it. Looks like the same tires that come on all of them. Same shocks. Looks like the same gears. Different axles. Same chassis, same motor. The only thing that's different is the body, lights. It's got the bumper for the Jeep. This looks like a Jeep body, just without the side covers on it.
So we'll know who's who in the event another box snaps. Something like that. Well, there's okay.
A new car. I bet a monster truck. You went with a girl. So much do you like? Ever use a wrecking ball or a punching bag?
Look, Nico. Before I became a warrior, I was a laborer. Construction. I can build stuff, I can break stuff. And that's it. Of course, Bigfoot and I don't always see eye to eye. Don't use that phone. Oh, boy.
Got the instructions. I always keep my instructions in a safe place. Parts kit. Extra parts. Looks like there's a driver in there. Steering wheel. Servo saver. An additional, looks like axles. Our remote, I'm not going to be using this. And our truck. It's got a pretty nice paint job on it. And that's about it.
We learned that the hard way when we lost Cliff Jumper. And for the record, Cliff Jumper was the last Autobot casualty. I told you, the latest Autobot you have in storage isn't prime. It's a knockoff. We have only your word to go on, without any trace of Silas or the alleged technology utilized to control the you and I both know. Your last debriefing indicated Optimus Prime had joined the Decepticons. Not locally. Prime had a meeting. I know I was clear on that. But you can see where outside observers might connect the dots.
Take this part real quick. Take a look under the hood and see how she looks.
We've been placing
inflict harm if they chose to turn on us. That's why I've been asked to determine whether I should leave before a trial.
Tribunal? They could shut down the operation. Put me in jail. General Bryce, Prime is no loose cannon. He's anything but. The box may be...
All right, well,
Watch where they step.
got the plastic links. The plastic links. Plastic drive shafts.
I wasn't aware you were utilizing any of our resources other than yourself.
They're not enlisted.
You involve civilians in a classified operation?
Highly accomplished civilians who contribute specialized expertise in computer
The
science.
shocks, they're all new. One single
I love breaking
piece.
Bring the heart.
Spring.
Zombie!
Everything else is still the same. This did not come with a light kit, so gotta get a light kit for it.
Say that.
The switch is also mounted in a different spot now, since the ESC is bigger, fatter.
Military discipline. They more than make up for with outside problem solving.
The switch for it is mounted in a different spot. It's got a waterproof
The fourth dimension has lousy cell phone
little cover over it, which I don't know what that's, how good that's gonna do.
Maybe the Autobots can't see
It's
her
got the new
because we're
Metal Gear serval,
Their courage is to be admired.
and cheap old tires. So, and in a little while I'll take it apart and grease it all up and make everything last a little bit longer.
They've proven time and again